Now this right here is an actual PSLE math question from one of the past years. Let's discuss. At first, the ratio of the number of boys to the number of girls in a chess club was 4:1. After 6 boys and 6 girls joined the club. Take note, number of boys and number of girls who join are equal in numbers. Okay, both are 6 respectively. After 6 boys and 6 girls joined the club, the ratio became 3:1. A. Did the percentage of members who are boys increase, decrease, or remain the same? So you're working clearly. Part B. In the end, how many boys were there in this club? In the end. Now we'll tackle the first one first. Okay, part A. Did the percentage of members who are boys increase, decrease, or remain the same? Now the way to do this is to find out what is the percentage of boys before and what is the percentage of boys after. Percentage of boys before the change. Okay, this will be, okay, see, the boys is 4 units, right? Total is 4 plus 1. So 4 over 4 plus 1 times 100%. This will give us what is the percentage of the members who are boys, okay, which will be 80%. So what happened to this percentage later on, okay, after the 6 boys join, 6 girls join, percentage of boys as there after. Now after what happened, look at the number of boys. Okay, boys became 3 units, total is 3 plus 1. So 3 over 3 plus 1 times 100%. 3/4 times 100%, which is 75%. Have a look, guys, ladies and gentlemen. The percentage of members who are boys, what happened to it? It decreased, okay? Percentage of members who are boys decreased, right? Because it went from 80%, decreased from 80% to 75%. Alright, that's how we do part A. Now in the end, how many boys were there in this club? Now to solve the part B, right, we need to understand that an equal number of boys and girls join the club. When you have equal items joining or equal items leaving, it can be even like, for example, if I and my wife, we both go shopping and we both spend equal amounts, okay, the money is leaving each of us equally, or we are both receiving equal amounts, then this is really a difference unchanged concept. The difference between the boys and the girls must remain same. Okay, we can solve this part B by doing a BCA table. Before, change, and after. Alright, and we will have of course, for the boys, we will have a column for the girls, and since we know difference is the same, we will have one nice column for the difference between the boys and the girls, which must be the same. Okay, now before the joining took place, okay, you have 4 units here, 1 unit here, difference will be 4 units minus 1 unit, 3 units. Okay, I got this 4:1 from the ratio given. Now in the end, what happened is the ratio became 3:1. So 3 parts, 1 part. Cannot use units because they may carry different values. What is the difference then? 3 parts minus 1 part. The difference will be 2 parts. Alright. And then observe that this is 3, this is 2. Cannot happen like that. It must be made the same. So we will times 2 here, we will times 3 here. So everything in the first row gets multiplied by 2. Everything is in the last row gets multiplied by 3. So what happens then? We have 6 units, we have 2 units here, we have 8 units here. Times 3, 9 parts. You can use units now because we have made the difference the same. So 3 units, and over here 6 units. As you can clearly observe, girls went from 2 to 3, increase of 1 unit. Boys 8 to 9, increase of 1 unit. Also, change is 1 unit. Why is that so? Because for each of the girls and the boys, you have equal numbers joining, 6 of them. So how many boys were there in the end? In the end, I need to find 9 units. So that 1 unit of people is 6, right? Because 6 boys, 6 girls join. So 1 unit here must be 6. So we find 9 units. 6 times 9, we will get an answer of 54. Final answer for this question.